Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for coming and watching. So I got an empties video for you guys. A lot of stuff here, or stuff that I'm just throwing out because I've had too long, or so forth and so forth. So I do have a sample of the Vichy Lift Active Serum. When you have a little sample of things, you're not quite sure what they're for or what they do, but this seemed really quite nice actually. It says it's for sensitive skin, hyperallergenic, and it says it's Vichy Thermal Spa Water. It says a progressive anti-wrinkle and anti-firming correcting care. So for normal to combinational skin, which is kind of me, I kind of have combinational skin, normal to combinational skin. So this was nice. That's all I can say because there's just only enough to use it 2 or 3 times. I used this coconut water foot pack. This is okay. Added a good bit of moisture to my feet, but would I ever purchase it again? I got it for 99p, so I don't even know if it's being discontinued or what. But I really like the ones where you put your feet in socks and really like let them sit for a while. I really like them. Sorry, my wrist is acting up. Okay, so another thing that, another thing that I have that I just didn't get on with and I've had for too long now is the Jaya Natural Argan Oil Protective Face Cream. I didn't like this at all. I just found it was, something leaked all over it, I'm not quite sure. I didn't like the smell. It smells okay, I could get on with the smell. I just didn't like the way it sat on my face. This just wasn't for me. I love Jaya or however you pronounce it. I like this company. My favorite face cream from them is their goat milk one, and I'm trying to find it and I cannot find it anywhere. So I'm having a hard time with that because I love that one. But Lady Speed Stick, this one was really nice. This was the Fresh Infusions 24-hour. I love Lady Speed Stick. I think you can only get it in Canada, so when I go, I'm going to be picking up 2 or 3 because when I went to America, I couldn't find it anywhere. The Rimmel Super Curl 24-hour mascara. I used a good bit of this. It went all weird. The brush went all weird. I didn't care for this. I would never repurchase that. Didn't like it. So yeah, no, that's going to go in the bin. Can throw that in the bin right there. This is the Clean Matte by CoverGirl. It's their BB cream. I think they changed the packaging on this. This is like my second one, I think, and I'm on my 3rd one now. I need to get a backup of this. I used one, then went through this one, which was a backup from Canada. I bought 2 because I really liked it when I was there, so I bought a backup. So I used them both. I basically go through one of these kind of in about a 10-month period because it's not the only foundation I use, but I love this. This is probably my second favorite foundation at the moment, is the CoverGirl Clean Matte, and I have it in 510 Fair. Love it. Need to get another one of those. So I'm gonna have to do it when I go to Canada. The e.l.f. eyelid primer, pretty much used it all up. I really like that. That's the really affordable one. Then I used up the mascara primer by e.l.f. It's pretty much all gone. Did I think this did really a whole lot? Not really. Would I purchase it again? No. Then I have the NYC's High Definition Liquid Eyelid Primer from NYC. Didn't like this. It like creased like crazy on me. I went through a makeup gallery pressed powder. I went through a stage of like really liking this. I have one now. This is in translucent 1. I don't really use that powder much anymore, but I'm not using a lot of powders at the moment, but I did use that one up and I liked it, but I have one now and I'm not really reaching for it, so I don't think I'll purchase it again. This is the Essence Lash Mania Reloaded False Lash Mascara. I loved this mascara. I love Essence mascaras. The Lash Mania Reloaded was really, really good. It did get a little bit clumpy near halfway through the tube. I really had to kind of work with it a little bit, but I loved the volume and the false look it gave me, so I really, really did like this. And I would repurchase it, but I think it's discontinued. But if it's not, let me know, because I haven't seen the Lash Mania Reloaded in a long time. Some other things. Oh, the Essence, I got this in like a limited editions from Essence. It was like a brow color. This was no good. Essence has a really good brow gel. This one though, from the Gorilla Gardening or whatever eyebrow mascara, didn't like the wand. Too big. Didn't like the color, didn't like it flaked off. It was no good, and it's limited edition, so I went through half of it. Hold on. I dropped it. I went through half of it, didn't like it really, so I didn't finish it. Then I went through the Marine Algae Micellar Cleansing Water. I really liked this. I finished this ages ago, like, must have been like June or July. That's how long I've been collecting and getting rid of things. I haven't kept everything that I've gotten rid of or went through. That has to go in recycle. But yeah, so there's a lot of stuff in here that I'm kind of just throwing out because it just was no good. So I'll get to that stuff in a moment. I went through one of the Touch of Silver brightening shampoos by Provoke Professional Hair Care. I believe I get these from Deals or Poundland or Pound Worlds, whatever you have. These are really awesome. I really like them. It's gonna go in recycle. And then I did go through one of these and I really liked it. I got this on an offer to try as I work for Avon. The lady got it and she tried it once and she didn't really like it, so she gave it to me. No, this wasn't the product. No. Okay, this is the Anu Ultimate Supreme Dual Elixir. I liked this. Would I purchase it again if it was on offer? Yes. It has 2 different creams in it. Avon has a lot of good skincare. I'm actually using one of their moisturizing creams for your face. Loved it. Oh yeah. Why is this in here? I don't think that was supposed to be in there. Okay, sorry. Then I have the Simply Basic Mango Butter. I bought this eons and eons ago. I didn't fully finish it. It went all yucky. I think I got this in Canada when I visited a few years back. And it's just been kind of sitting in this thing for this, for like a year, this box. I've really needed to clean this out, so that can go in recycle. Oh, this can go in recycle too. This is the Cocoa Brown by Marissa Carter. So Marissa Carter has a Carter Beauty line now too, but this is her Cocoa Brown Kind Shampoo limited edition. I thought this was okay. Wasn't my favorite. Would I purchase it again? No. I think it's limited edition anyway, but I had to try it. But yeah, because I like her Cocoa Brown 10. It's pretty good. Then I went through this. This is the Max Volume Mascara by Wet n Wild. This is an okay mascara, not my favorite. I didn't use it fully up, but I've had it for too long now, so I'm just throwing it away. Another mascara is the Rimmel Wonderful Mascara with Argan Oil in it. Didn't like this. Didn't like this at all. I used a good bit of it, but yeah, there's still a little bit in there, but no. I didn't find it did anything at all to my lashes. Oh, this is a Marc Liquid Lip in matte. It's like a matte color. I can't remember. It's, oh, Passion It. This is streaky. No. Did not like that. Going in the bin. Another sample I got is the La Roche-Posay for oily skin rejuvenating care. I don't have oily skin, but I went through a little sample of this. It's kind of whatever to me. Oh, I think I can recycle that actually. It's plastic. I think I can recycle that. Then I went through, no, I didn't go through this. Didn't like this on my skin at all. This is the Revlon Photo Ready BB Cream. Skin Perfecting, has SPF 30 in it. It's light pale. I think it's been in here a long time. Yeah, it's like separated. Ugh, it's gross. It's was no good. Didn't really use it. Throwing it away. It's gone off. The Righteous Butter Body Lotion by Soap and Glory. I like this. I've just had it for a little too long and it's almost gone, but I'm just gonna bin it. I went through the Total Moisture Facial Cream by Benefit. I ended up getting the little samples of this. I really liked this line by Benefit, their moisture care one. I really liked this. So I'm going to keep the container because it's really cute and can reuse that for if something breaks or something. The Pure 3-in-1 Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. You get these from like Deals, Poundland and stuff like that. I like them for rubbing off makeup or off my hands or my arms. I don't use makeup wipes necessarily for my eyes, maybe just to get a little bit of eyeshadow off, and then I use cleansers. That's another thing. I have tons of lip stuff in here to go through. Attraction, Avon Attraction. This is glass, so this will go into glass. But I used that up. That was pretty nice. I like Avon perfumes. Then I have the 30 Electric Plum lipstick. This was a lipstick that I've basically swatched. It's pretty, but I just don't wear it, and sometimes you just gotta get rid of stuff. I might be able to find somebody who can get that, like that. But then I have the Barry M's, the kind of crackle looking nail polishes. I'm never going to use this. I have one from OPI, which is really sad. It's just, I'm again never going to use it. So in the bin they go. Another perfume, Avon My Everything. This is like one of my favorite perfumes. My Everything perfume by Avon is so nice. I love that one. So that's going to go into glass. And then a bunch of lip products. I have the MUA Out There plumping lip glosses. Had them for way too long. Didn't really like them. So garbage. Barry M lip gloss. Didn't like. Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Suede. Didn't like this at all. So maybe I can find somebody who'll like that. I don't know. Yeah, this is just a limited edition lip gloss. Don't care for it. A Fashionista Pumping Lip Glaze. Didn't like that. Binning it. Hurts the lips, actually. Then I got the Ginvera Green Tea Exploding Marble Gel. This was really, really good. I need to get another one of those. But that one's empty. Lipstick. Deco Pink. My daughter has this one as well. I just don't like the color. W7 Skin Fresh Concealer in Fair. No, this is like dark. Like this is not fair in any way, shape, or form. Like look how, I don't even know if you'll see it, but it is way too dark. Like that is not fair at all. I might see if my mom wants to try that because she's darker than I am. I went through a Soft Lips lip balm. Really like those. Sister-in-law gave me that actually. Went through a sample of Glam Glow. That can be recycled because it's in plastic. Like the Glam Glow mask, but it's a little bit pricey. And then the Cover and Conceal Concealer by MUA. Don't like that, so binning that. And that's that. That's my empties, you guys. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there's one last thing in here. An Avon lip gloss that I did not like at all. Again, binning. So that's kind of things I've gone through for the last while. I've gotten rid of stuff I didn't keep for this video because the box was just too full. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you like empty hauls, I will try and do some more. So thank you guys. Until next time.